What is you? You can be E like I. E.
You.
Then put another dot on it. E. Don't put I. Don't put E. Put I dot under. I dot under. It's capital letter I with a dot under, not on top. There's no. Then we have U slash G. G is when it is inside the word.
Tell me to write.
U. Have you written U? This is I. This one is I.
What did he do that to me?
Why did you do that to me?
Why did you do that to me?
Why did I do that to me? Oh, it's all like what?
Yes.
So go number 3. What's the word? I. So you can be E or G. Depending. G is when it's inside the sentence. Write it down. G is when it is inside the sentence. Yes. Do a bracket. Move on. This G. Put a bracket when it is inside the sentence.
I've had breakfast already. Oh.
So the next one.
We.
Your is also G.
What if the your is at the beginning of the sentence? Your mom.
Negi. It's still G. My or me. My, me. Just letter M. Then.
So mine is me.
How about more?
My.
Sorry, you can still put
My.
Like a
M-U.
mu or
Or
so can either be I or me.
I don't get that.
No.
But you said I can be but you also said that
Yeah,
I can be when it's inside the
you
sentence.
can be. Sorry. Me.
So me.
I can be. Me can be. I can be.
So the next one. What's another one?
We or he.
Oh,
He and she.
what's number 4?
He slash she.
Number 4. Me slash mine.
Me, mine. Mine, me. Mine slash me. Slash or mu. Slash mu. Okay, we keep going.
Number 5.
Number 5 is he, she, it at the beginning of the sentence. Or the O should have a dot under. Or.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he, she, it is O and the dot under the O.
Yeah.
Then when you're done writing, don't say the channel.
And the channel.
Then him, her, his, him, her, his.
How about her?
Him, her, his.
That's what you said.
Her. You think I say her?
Yes.
Him, her, his. I'm not an English teacher, please. So him, her,
Cheese.
What's that?
yeah. It is also there. I saw it.
What is
I
It,
thought
yeah.
it was he, she. Or
There's an
So
it
that
where you
one
say at the beginning, but this one, it is inside the sentence. So when you write it, you put bracket inside the sentence.
yeah.
Yeah, yes.
No, that's a why.
It's correct. So you put it too. It is part of it. It's okay. That's it. So, which other one? We, us, our. 3 of them is Anyi. We, us, our. Anyi, A-N-Y-I.
Is that number 8?
They, them, their. They, then, their. Anyi, A-N-Y-I.
He, us, our. Anito. A-N-Y.
They, them, dear. Huh? They, them, dear.
It's over.
Edim Chala.
Somebody just.
Edim Chala.
Nwunye Mazi.
Edim Chala. Edim Chala. What's your lunch today?
Nwunye Mazi.
Don't you really not jot the time?
What's the name?
What you swallow and
It's devotion, right?
is it one swallow?
For that, the 8th one.
Oh, we not swallow
What's that?
yesterday.
Oh Lord. For the 8th one.
What the has to be
Huh? H-A, huh?
What's the has?
Yes.
Huh?
It really nice.
H-A, right?
Yeah, that's everything.
Edo Chala.
Edo Chala.
If you say the Chala, I'm going to. If you say anything else, I won't know you're going right. So, what's the other one?
This Thursday. Is it they, them, and their it?
Huh? H-A, huh?
Huh?
We have here, Eba, E-B-E, and then give a space and write A, Eba.
Is it
Here,
here?
like I am here.
Is it here a preposition?
It also can be a preposition.
Eba.
Uh-huh. Eba.
Ready?
Today's Thursday, right?
Nwunye Mazi. Biko.
Eba. Here is Eba.
That's spaghetti.
We have spaghetti.
That's why you can't trust the menu.
Now, dear, Eba.
Yeah.
Eba.
Over there.
What?
Dear, like go dear.
How last?
Ebe.
Ahu.
Let me send you it 5.
Can I see your book with
Just 1 minute, please.
my brother?
Why did you switch your pen?
I did it.
1 minute, please.
I have 1 minute. 1 minute. Just
What?
2 hours.
Ahu. A-H-U.
How I see.
Ebe ahu. Dear. Ebe ahu.
Yes, everything.
Any other one?
I don't think so. There's here.
Any other one?
Yeah, come here. Go there.
So how do you say go there?
No. Go there.
Yeah.
Yes. Gaeba ahu. Explain. You say Gaeba ahu. Say it. Gaeba ahu.
Go there.
Gaeba ahu. Because you, lady,
Yeah.
we did this thing. Maybe later she'll show you. We are learning, my baby. We've done this now. We filmed it. So you can actually, when did you fill yours or it's in your notes? We've done it and you're meant to. It's going to help us now to make sentences.
Yeah.
So, we're done with the pronouns. There are so many, but let's just stop here. Which other one? Any other basics? Yeah.
Let's get back out in the English.
There.
So we only learned here and there for prepositions.
So we have different places we visit.
Places we visit. Is that the next topic?
No.
Places we visit.
All right. Hold on. Before we go to places we visit, let's play around with verbs and pronouns. So how do you say eat it? No, let's start with bia. How do you say come here?
Biaeba.
Answer.
Biaeba.
No, biaeba.
Biaeba.
Write it down. So just write sentences. Ahirioku. Ahirioku is A-H-I. R-O-I. Ahiri. Oku. Chips. Are you okay?
Yes.
Ahirioku sentences. One too much. You have called them.
Come here. Biaeba.
Come here. Biaeba.
Biaeba. I eat eba and soup.
I don't like eba and soup.
Eba is diarrhea.
The
Diarrhea
one
is
you
eba.
make
And eba can also be swallowed. Swallow can be found.
and swallow can be any type of swallow.
Swallow can be fufu can be sand.
Sand is made of rocks.
Yes, and rocks can make a fish.
Rocks?
So you
God
can eat.
made rocks.
Yes.
So technically,
When you eat fufu, you're eating God.
Wait, sand can be.
No,
Makes
because
like,
wait,
sand makes glass. And glass can be potable glass. Even
Well, so we did come here. How do you say come here?
yeah.
Okay, go there.
Gaeba.
Write it. Go there. Gaeba.
Go there.
Yeah, I think come here now. No, these are not places we visit. These sentences. So we want to make sentences with the verb and the pronouns. If you can make sentences with the verb and pronouns, you are good to go in Igbo language. Are we good?
Yes.
So how do you say go there?
Gaeba.
How do you say eat it?
Ria.
Let's get air back home.
Go there.
Wait.
Go there.
Ria.
Air.
It's not
what?
about now.
Ria. Eat it.
Oh, what's the next one?
Wait, so yeah, if you when it in the middle of the sentence. What did you say? Yeah, if you when it is used in the middle of the sentence.
Eat it.
Ngoya.
Drink it.
How do you say drink it? Wash them.
Wash them.
Saya.
No, wash them.
Saha.
Don't change it. Saha.
What's
Are you following?
Watch or
wash?
Wash. Read this because
I missed
you came in
that.
that.
Wash,
Yeah, well.
like
Saha.
W-A-S-H.
Watch what?
Wash
Yeah, W-A-S-H.
something. Wash them.
These things we've done all what they mean. That's why.
Why did you get his toothpaste?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
His toothpaste.
Come on, if you don't know, you can't answer any question if you don't know all those things.
Hold on. Excuse me.
Chuchu, did you write in your text and also write in your notes?
Yeah, but I stopped writing in my notes. It's in my textbook.
Oh man, I'm so sorry.
You don't understand the meaning of the pronouns of the verb.
You want anyone to what did you say?
Right fast.
And I write all of it.
Let's quickly take a little break while we wait for Navy to finish writing. Because
Okay.
it's very hard now.
Nwunye Mazi.
Okay, this thing you really wait. Yeah, this thing is very. Oh, that's
Sharp.
Nwunye Mazi.
And
Come.
Hey. Hi.
Nkuzi Nwunye Mazi. Biko mami na farm.
And put 285 car parking. Mini foods.
I don't know why you guys like watching me.
It's boring.
Exactly.
What do people upstairs like
I don't
watching
know why.
it?
Girls like watching mini stuff.
Excuse
When
me.
you can have it extra. You know what I'm talking about? Like girls from
No. I want us to. Okay. Keep the sa akwụkwọ. Okay, right. Keep my book. The sa akwụkwọ.
Yes, sir.
Keep my book. The sa akwụkwọ. Then we have wepu. Onye ga-enye anyị ahịrịokwu eji wepu wee mee? Wepu.
Remove the cat.
Remove. There must be a pronoun. You must put a pronoun because the main thing is verb and pronoun.
Wepu.
Remove your socks.
No, wait.
Remove him. Wepu. Akwụkwọ gị.
Gịnị bụ cat n'Igbo? Nwamba. So you can say my cat. Okay.
Wepu nkịta m.
Wepu nkịta m. But you see that in nkịta, we don't actually take away. We take away inanimate things like goat,
So you can say.
but to carry, when you want to say, you say popu nkịta, that's the right word. Popu nkịta. Yes. Wepu akwa gị. Kọrọ nchuka aka.
Wepu akwa gị.
Wepu akwa gị. Wepu akwa gị. Remove your clothes. There. Wepu akwa gị. Wepu akwa gị. How would you say remove your clothes from here?
Wepu akwa gị eba.
Yes. Wepu akwa gị eba.
But what about from?
From you don't mean that.
So the next one will hicha. Cause of hicha. Hicha. So how do you say clean your room in Igbo?
Clean your room.
No, what is room? It's in your, look at the parts of the house.
Loggy. No, clean your kitchen.
Room is in
Hichagi.
No. Hicha mpuru. The mpuru is Mkpuru. MK. I'm here for you.
MK. What's the sentence? MK, clean your room.
Wepu akwa gị, remove your clothes.
Hicha mpuru gị.
Hicha mpuru gị, Mkpuru.
With 2 dots under the
Mkporo.
What's wecha?
Wecha.
Hicha.
Hicha.
Clean.
Hicha mkpụrụ gị. Ngwa, mepee ka onye ga-eji ahịa okwu nnedi. Mepee. Mkpụrụ. Room. Mkpụrụ is your room.
Open. Open the door.
Yes. So,
What is the?
open the door. You can say, So you say, mepe ụzọ ahụ. You can maybe you say open the door. Just say mepe ụzọ. Just say mepe ụzọ.
Use you.
Just say mepe ụzọ is open the door. Then open that door is mepe ụzọ ahụ.
I thought you said you have to use pronouns. Yeah, we haven't used pronouns at all. Yeah, Mom, you know you use the pronouns.
I really why are you disturbing me like something
Close your eyes. Yeah, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close the door. Mepe anya uzo. Use it.
close the bathroom?
So what is it? You just said one now.
Mepe anya gi.
Mepe anya gi. Gini ko obu. Gini ko mepe anya gi.
Open your eyes.
Mepe anya gi. Open your eyes. What name?
Mommy.
And anya goes. Mepe anya gi. Open your eyes. Now chips there. Chips there too. Mepe anya gi. Open your
Eyes.
your eyes.
But we're not using the.
So who will give us a sentence with Mechie? You don't say anything. Mechionu, close your mouth. No, close. Guys, shut up. Mechionu is close mouth. It's sorry, but that's what it means. Mechionu. You can say Mechionu, you close your mouth. Somebody is always opening his or her mouth.
Close your mouth.
When you see people opening their mouth like this, What do you tell them?
Metrono.
Metrono gi. You know me too.
I heard short. Adam.
I don't know what
Adam.
you're telling me to
Adam
do,
you
guys. I'm not in here.
Adam you
I wonder where you went.
Yes.
How did they make this?
She make what?
We put tape and then
No, that's
like
not what they did. That's what they did.
So,
they put tape and then just painted.
who will make a sentence with Banye? Can you get you Banye?
Then yeah, switch on.
Switch on the lights.
How do you
These
say it?
people.
Fanye
Oh, sorry.
Banye oku, switch on the lights. No, you want to switch on your lights, it's Banye oku gi. Well, let's write it down. Banye oku gi. Remember, we're using pronouns too. Banye oku gi. Banye oku gi. Banye oku gi.
Switch on the lights.
Then we have banyo. Banyo onyonyom.
Switch off my television.
Yes. Banyo onyonyom. Switch off my television. Okay.
Wait, I'm behind.
Putting stuff in my hands and my nose.
Banyo onyonyom.
Banyo onyonyom. Yes, banyo onyonyom. Banyo onyonyom. Switch off my what? Television. Then punye. How do you say? No, punye is not puroto. Punye is what? What is punye?
Plug.
Lady. Punye is plug. How do you say? Please plug my phone.
Biko.
Biko kunye ekwenti.
Yes. Biko punye ekwentim. What they told me? Ekwenti ekwi ekwi nte. Ekwi is KW. Ekwi nte. Nte.
Kunye ekwenti.
It's I. This is I. Ekwentim. We have a spelling bee. I hope you know. Have you seen the words for the spelling bee?
Yeah,
Yes,
they're
how to
on
spell it?
boards.
You have enough time to prepare for the Igbo spelling bee. Go and start reading them. And this is how I spelled this one now. That's how to spell it.
Oh man.
Like you want to say
Is it weekend?
ncha, ncha, ncha.
Is it Biko kunye ekwenti?
Yes, biko kunye ekwentim. Biko kunye.
You cheater.
That's also what I've said spelling bee.
We should go look at your spelling bee. That's what you be the last time I see you.
Are we good?
Yes.
Cheese is right to
Yeah,
write.
tomorrow is going to be the last time I see you. I lied.
Infuriating.
I wonder what he's doing.
How do you say please unplug it?
Biko.
Eh? Eh?
Biko.
Pupu. No, pupu. Biko pupu ya. Yes. Biko pupu ya. Please unplug it. Write it down. That's where cheese. Biko pupu ya. Biko pupu ya. Unplug it. Please unplug it. Biko pupu ya.
So, can we move on to feet?
Oh, there's a lot of things that I'm not writing.
No, it's only this one. Please unplug it.
No, my hands are just gonna work out from writing.
Biko pupu ya.
And
Biko.
lost literally 735 calories.
That thing is fake. See that? So you last say 190 you have tons of weight. You could die on
The next one is who? Who?
See. Who would say
See outside the window.
How do you say come see it?
Yeah. Who? Yeah.
Yes. Biahuya. Biahuya. Biko biahuya. Biko biahuya.
I say come and see my beautiful mother.
Biko biale nne maramma.
Yeah.
Or biko biahu.
I'm not going to say
Biko biahu nne maramma.
My back hurts. Sit in Igbo.
Rest your back. Put a pillow.
Back
Put pillow on Azumi. Azum. Say Azum ne bumumbu.
Like boom, boom, boom.
No, Azum ne bumumbu boya. Azum ne bumumbu. Ngwa ka ina aga. Tinye. Please put my food. Who can say please put my food?
Biko tinye nrim.
Yes. Biko tinye nrim. Ngwa detuo ya chief. Please put my food. Let's start with me. Please put my food. Biko tinye nrim. Please put my food. Biko tinye. This is tinye. Biko tinye nrim.
Right. 3, 2, 1.
So how do you say
Flashback.
cook?
Can I cook?
Go cook it.
Go cook
Eh?
rice.
Go cook.
Garcia.
Ga. Go cook it.
Garcia.
Ga.
Ga.
Mhm.
Sie. Ya.
Yes, Garcia, not Garcia.
Garcia.
No, Garcia.
Garcia.
Can we move on to
But you were making something.
Can we move on to it?
Ow.
before you decide right now, we're gonna say that we're going to move on to
Are we going to the playground after this?
Wait, we're still in the playground.
I said after
That was how you went to playground this and never came up again. No. Today, even the little break we have is to watch a documentary.
No, please.
Yeah, baby
What's
girl.
not a break?
Are we going to watch it here?
Oh yeah.
In our room? So we're not going to go to the bathroom?
No.
Can I please turn off this?
Okay. Anything you want. You keep saying, can we move on to where? I want to know.
So before you visit, said we're going to move on to
Places we visit.
yeah.
We're coming now. Let's finish this one. We make it sentence.
Can't you see that
We're almost done.
It's not by random now.
Mm-hmm.
Every single thing.
Sie, gasie ya. Chips.
Kwachi.
So the next one is kwache.
Shut your door.
Yes. How do you say shut your door in Igbo?
Kwache.
Speak up.
Kwache uzo.
Open your door.
Kwache uzo gi kwuo ya otu ahụ.
Kwache uzo gị.
Kwachie ụzọ gị.
Kwache ụzọ gị.
Kwachie ụzọ gị. Nke ọzọ abụrụ gịnị? How do you say do it fast or do it quick? Quick is ọsịsọ.
Mere.
No.
Meya.
Mee ya.
Meya.
Yes, do it fast. Do it fast. Mee ya ọsịsọ. Mee ya ọsịsọ.
So also is fast.
Yes. Mee ya ọsịsọ. Do it fast. Or do it quickly.
I thought how do you spell the officer? Wait.
Eh?
How do you spell it?
Ọsịsọ is O-C-E-C-O. O-C-E. The O has O and the dot
She's
underneath.
spelling Igbo.
O-C-E-C-O. O-C-C-O.
Okay, which ones have dot?
The
What's
O,
Mayor?
the two
Oh, let's
O.
spell Mayor.
Mayor, look at me. This is man.
Mayor.
Man.
My book.
Mayor. Ọsịsọ. Ọsịsọ.
Ndewo.
What? Can I have a keyboard? Keyboard. Jenna. Excuse me, please, 1 minute.
That one.
catch my phone.
Can you call them? Can I know?
Maybe me.
May do. And we've done May also.
Yes, you've done that one. So we are D actually. There.
Write it. How do you say write it? There.
There on your phone.
There nime ekwentị gị.
There anime ekwentị.
There nime ekwentị gị.
There.
Who is that?
Hold on, let me finish. Look at me. How would you say look at me? Lady Loba.
And look at me.
Lem. How do you say look at me over here?
Over here.
No, what's over here is just here.
Good.
Say it again. Lem eba. No, don't say lem eba. Lem eba. Yeah, when your mommy calls you, Nesochi. You see, when you get her, say, Mommy, lem eba. That's how to speak Igbo. It's not difficult. Just say those little things in Igbo language and you're good. Legarianya. That's legari means look around.
Look into my eyes.
No. Lemanya. If I say look into my eyes, say lemanya nampuranya. Lem anya nampuru anya. If your brother is telling you a lie, you want to just.
Are you saying anya twice?
Yes, lemanya nampuru anya. Mpuru anya means your eyeballs. So lemanya.
Use your eyes to look into my eyes.
Eyes, yes. Lemanya nampuru anya. So when your brother is telling you a lie, you just say lemanya nampuru anya. What is you? Look at me. Or you say lemanya nampuru anya kuoyo also. Look at me in the eyes and say it again.
He will say it again.
Okay. Kainaga.
Wait, can you spell around?
Around. That around is G. GH. GH. ARI. Legari.
What's the next word?
So the next one.
The next word is gua.
Tell me the truth.
Yes. You know, truth is ezioku. How do you say tell me the truth?
Why? Guam ezioku.
Yes.
Yeah, but you guys spell the ezioku.
Ezi. A-Z-E-O-U-O.
It's a group KWOKP.
O.
Is there a space in between? Why is it KWOKP?
A-Z-E-O-U-O. There's no space anymore.
A-Z-O.
Where is the A-Z is I-O.
Guam ezioku.
Then U-K-W-U.
What's that mean?
Guam ezioku. Tell me the truth.
Truth is ezioku.
Thank you.
Tell me the truth.
The truth. Are you lying or
Did you
not?
steal my dog?
What?
Is Runketa.
That's what I did in the other.
So, yeah,
Give me water.
just say give it to me.
Yeah, maybe.
Give it to me. You're going to say give me it.
Nyemya.
Excellent. Nyemia. Nyemia. Nyemia.
Give me it.
Give it to me.
Yes, that's give it to me.
But
Nyemia.
the order is give me it.
Yeah.
And you want to say ta. Who will make a sentence with ta?
Wait, my friend.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ita.
No.
Achorom ita.
No. It is ta. No. You just start with ta. Eat it now. Ta ya ubua.
Taya ubwa.
Ugua.
You stand for Ugua.
U U-A.
What?
U-B-U-A.
U-R.
U-G-B-U-A. U-B-U-A. U-B-U-A.
UGBUA. Eat it now.
Chew it now.
Chew it now.
Whatever.
I should wash my hands.
Noise cheese. Okay, the next one is Racha.
Racha.
How do you say? How do you say?
Rachaya ice cream.
You want to sit? Want to come back to class?
Rachaya ice cream.
Yes. Yes.
Rachaya ice cream.
No. No, what are you trying to say, Chuchu?
You lick your ice cream.
You will say Racha ice cream.
Yeah.
Yes, Seji.
Racha ice cream. Racha, eat your ice cream, which is lick your ice cream. Racha ice cream. Racha, look at Racha here. Racha, then you write ice cream and say gi. Racha ice cream. Racha ice cream.
The camera isn't seeing me.
Hmm?
The camera's seeing us.
No.
So the next one is Muta. How do you say?
Learn it quickly.
How do you say learn it quickly?
Mutaya Osita.
Mutaya osiso.
Racha.
Racha ice cream. Ice cream. Racha ice cream. Racha ice cream.
Done for you.
I want my chips.
Eat your ice cream.
Bring it.
My chips.
Bring it here.
I want my chips.
Okay.
Where
I
am
am.
Ihe Guregu?
Eh?
Where am Ihe Guregu?
Which one is where? Celebrity. Ọ bụrụ na ihe anyị na-eme na-amasị gị, jee detuo aha ụmụ gị na batch B ọsịsọ. Batch B na-ebido na ụbọchị 28th of July wee ruo na 2nd August. Ngwanụ, anyị ka na-amụ ihe, anyị na-abịa. Chingwa. So, si daalụ nwunye Mazi o.
Daalụ.
So we are going to do places with right